Hey crocheters, welcome to my channel. So glad that you chose to watch this video. I hope this tutorial is helpful and makes crochet more enjoyable and less stressful. Keep in mind that fiber theory is for beginners, but we will get into more advanced projects as we go. Today this tutorial is all about crocheting the back loops of your stitches. You'll need to gather a small ball of yarn and a crochet hook. The hook I'm using is a size H 5mm by Clover. These are my favorite hooks. I don't crochet without them anymore. Once you get your supplies, let's begin. So first we need to make a slip knot. I always use kind of a slingshot method with the short part of the yarn at the bottom near my thumbs, with the other hand holding it open on the other side. Then my dominant hand will make a twist in the yarn. From there you use your thumb and your forefinger of the dominant hand to grab the top piece of yarn from the other side and pull it through like this. Now you just pull to tighten the knot, and pulling on the longer piece of yarn, close the loop a bit and insert your hook. Now we will make a chain of 12. Now that you have your chain of 12, you'll begin making your stitches. I'm going to use single crochet for this demonstration. I'm skipping the very first space right next to the hook, right here. And I'll be moving to the next space over, and this is where I will make my first single crochet. Then you will continue making your single crochets across the chain to the very last chain space. And now that you're at the very end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Now looking at the tops of the stitches, you'll notice that there are slanted V's going down the row. You will want to pay attention to the very top leg of the V. These are the loops that you'll be using for this technique. Now we will be working into the back loop of this first post here. Once you have the first single crochet made in the first back loop, then you're going to continue in each back loop across the row. Now this last loop can be hard to find. You'll need to move this little top loop over to the left just a bit so that you can see that V under there. Once you find it, just work your last stitch. And that's all there is to crocheting the back loops. The reason this technique is so nice is because it leaves this really nice ridge along the right side of your work, and then when you flip it over, it's actually hidden on the wrong side so you don't see it. Making hat brims or sweater sleeves is easier, and they look so much more polished with this technique. I hope this video was easy to follow and taught you a part of crochet you didn't know. Thank you so much for staying till the end with me. Please like this video and share this channel with any other friends that you know are trying to learn crochet from the ground up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now and hit that little bell icon so that you can get all of my new videos in your notifications. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, have a great day.